Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video of the Republic gunship. Now I'm not that excited about it because I already did another video of it, but it was kind of fail because my mom's ringtone, it kind of like showed up. So yeah, and it was Bruno Mars, so yeah, I didn't want to put it on the internet, so yeah. I might just name it Republic gunship unboxing fail. Yep, I'm gonna do it. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna post that video, and yeah. So, yeah. I'm gonna do an unboxing of it, so, yeah, let's do it. Let me turn it around, because the tape is on the back. Alright, here's the back, everything. Oh, forget it. I'll just show you, I'll do that right now, the unboxing. I'll just show you all the abilities that I could do. Right there, there's a little gun right there, which is, like right here. And then there's that one. And then this one is just the top part and everything. Then this one just shows that the gun in the back. So yeah, as you can see, everything's right there. You can saw the little comic right there. So yeah, let's just take everything out. Cheetos candy. Here's the bag number 1. And there's bag number 7. Bag number 3. Bag number 6. Bag number 5. Another bag number 6. Bag number 4. It's a lot of bags. And let's see. Whoa, this is a ginormous booklet. I don't know what it is. Whoa, I don't even know what the hell this is. What is this? Oh, it's like a cardboard. Oh, it's new now. It used to be different, but I haven't got into the 2013 summer set, so yeah, that's why I'm like, oh, that's new. So yeah, I've gotten like 2011 ones. You can see the little face right there. So that's Obi-Wan Kenobi's. So I guess that's the boat right there for little. Oh snap, this is a bag 8. What is this? This is bag number 2. These are a lot of bags. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna do a review of when I'm done and everything. So yeah, guys, bye.